bese ngize kuKhuzani. Khuzani ngiyakuzwa bhuti. I'm with you. Enhlengweni lezo onazo ukuthi awusadlala. Kodwa ngesikhathi wena uphezulu awuzange badonse abafowenu ukuthi guys angikwazi ukudlala ngedwa. Wafuna ukuba inkosi wedwa. Uyabona ke manje ukuthi ubselfish bukufaka kawo. Ngoba wawufuna ukuthi kube wedwa. Mina njengoba ngila angicula anginane ngoma eyi1 but ngilwela wonke umuntu including yourself. Ngifuna ukusho ukuthi akukho right lokho kwenziwa kuKhuzani. Akukho right. uKhuzani akakwazi ukuvalela ingoma yakhe for whatever reason. Ubani onepower engaka Nkosi yami ukuthi ukwazi ukublocker ingoma yomuntu ingadlali? Ubani onikeza abantu ipower engaka? Kanti akusesiwe ama listeners decide ukuthi we like this song or we don't like this song. uKhuzani angaze ngibe nenkinga personal. I don't have personal problems. Mina I've got differences and I accept ukuthi umuntu abe nombono ohlukile kunowami. And let's respect one another siqhubeke. Angeke ngivume lento yenze kuKhuzani ukuthi akadlalwa ngoba whatever reason akukho right. Ake sehleseni imimoya oKhozini uKhozini no power lokuthi can make or break music. Especially music we marginalized. So angeke ngoba ngithi ngangivala uKhuzani ukuthi aphume ku top 10 last year. Therefore manje ngithi ku right ukuthi angadlali. It's not correct. Ake supportaneni nawe Khuzani supporta abanye abantu. Musukuthi wena mawuphezulu bese abanye abantu ungabanaki bese uyabuza uzokhala futhi ukuthi abakusupport. Asupportaneni ngeqiniso ngento eright. Angazi isizathu sokuthi waye umuziki kaKhuzani ungasadlali emsakazweni uKhozi I don't know. Ngizwa ngaye but whatever the reason ayikho right. Ake sihlangane nje sibambane simuveni sonke siye phambili sisupporta into eyi1 sisupporta imusic yethu ne radio station yethu. Akekho umuntu ongalithanda uKhozi ebe ekhuluma isiZulu ngoba i-medium ye communication yazo zonke izinto zabantu abadala nabancane no music ukuthi sikwazi ukukhulisa. So yes ngiyavuma ukuthi vele akungavotela umuntu akuvotele ingoma. That I agree because of this is about the song. But asisukushintsha uKhozi i-identity bese sifuna ukuthi uwine uBeyonce eKhozini. Lokho nakhona ku wrong. But kukini bantu bakaMaskandi ukuthi ingavuka i-top 10 ithi asimfakanga uMaskandi ku top 10. So ke kukini ukuthi niyayivumela leyo nto leyo ukuthi but mina ngithi i-wrong leyo nto leyo. Ayikwazi ukwenza kanjalo. Onke ama-genres, gospel, Maskandi, kwaito music, amaZion, ingoma zomshado ziyadlala kuKhozi. So it won't be a shock to see i-top 10 enalezo zinto, but it will be a shock to see i-top 10 enganazo lezo zinto. But ke ake ngiqale ngicheck la